I would like to welcome you all, my dear friends, for the topic on research methodology. As we heard the word research, we think that this is not our cup of tea because from our childhood, we are bombarded with the fact that research is meant for only scientists. बचपन से सुनते आए हैं कि भाई ये रिसर्च तो हमारे बस की बात नहीं है. द रिसर्च इज मीन फॉर साइंटिस्ट. बट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, my friends, let me tell you, in our life, from morning to evening or up to our sleep, we are involved in some other kind of an research in our day-to-day life. But the fact is, we cannot call it as an research, but we call it as an search. Before moving on to our actual topic of research methodology, I would like to just introduce you with the phenomena of research. Research किसे कहते हैं? Research refers to a search for a knowledge. Research is a journey from known to unknown. It is a journey. It is not a destination. Now, as I already told you, everyone is thinking that research is done at laboratory, research is done at scientific institutes. For example, nowadays we are hearing a lot of about an research institute, pharmaceutical research institute, that is Serum Institute. Everybody is aware of that institute, and we are waiting when that Serum Research Institute will introduce a vaccine on the COVID-19, which the pandemic the world is witnessing. So we are familiar with that kind of a research institute. My dear friends, research is not that very difficult or an very rocket science. Research is nothing but gathering or searching for an pertinent information on a specific topic. For example, if an new neighbor comes at your colony, you tend to have investigation or inquiry about that new neighbor. मतलब अगर कोई नेबर आता है आपके कॉलोनी में, आपके अपार्टमेंट में, यू स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन. हेलो आंटी, हाउ आर यू, कहां से आए हैं, क्या करते हैं साहब, घर में कौन कौन है, क्या क्या है, कितने बेटी है, कितने बेटे हैं, कॉलेज जाती है क्या लड़की, कौन से कॉलेज, एडमिशन लिया है क्या, डू यू वांट माय हेल्प. All these questions are nothing but the questions which are asked in order to collect pertinent information on a new neighbor. It will be called search, it will be called research if it is done systematically. In the same way, when a new admission takes place in a college and when a new entrant enters into a classroom, everybody see towards that entrant and wants to investigate about who is she who have taken new admission to our college, and we start searching from where she has come, where she has completed her 10th, 12th, kahan rehti hai, etc., etc. My dear students, this is nothing but search. And when this search is attached with systematic investigation, scientific investigation, we will call it as an research. Now, I think you are now quite familiar with the term research. Research is, in fact, an art of scientific investigation. Research is an systematized effort to gain new knowledge. किसी भी टॉपिक के ऊपर, किसी भी फिनोमिना के ऊपर सिस्टमैटिक तरीके से, साइंटिफिक तरीके से अगर नया नॉलेज हम गेन करना चाहते हैं तो उस प्रोसेस को, उसे रिसर्च कहा जाता है. रिसर्च इज नॉट लाइक दैट एंड रॉकेट साइंस. नो, In some cases like aeronautical and space research, it is in rocket science, but still in day-to-day life we are involved in some or other kind of an research. I think you are now quite familiar